Hi everybody, Vanquished Angel here, and today we're going over simple Linux commands. Now these are probably the most used commands that I use mostly, and I'm going to kind of go through this for new people. So this is how I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate. So the first one we're going to go over is sudo apt-get install. Now sudo apt-get install is basically sudo for the super user, and then apt-get, that's your package system, and then install tells it what to do, and we're going to try to install OpenTTD. We're going to hit there, and then we have to put in the password because we had to use sudo. And then of course I have Synaptic open, so that command won't work with Synaptic open. So we're going to close that. Then we can just hit the up arrow and it'll come back. And then it'll tell you the new packages that need to be installed and how much archives it's going to have to get and how much space it's going to take up. So we're just going to hit yes, and then it's going to install that. And that should not take too long. It's a very old game. And then it unpacks, and then that'll install. And it'll install everything that it is dependent on too. Now the only caveat to that is that you must have the package name exactly. So let's say I wanted to install my Chromium browser, I wouldn't be able to just say sudo apt-get install Chromium. I would have to type in Chromium dash or hyphen browser, because you have to have the package name exactly. So then the next command is going to be sudo apt-get update. Okay, now I have a package manager open, so it won't work with it open. And then we'll hit enter, and that'll update all your packages that you have installed on your computer. And that's kind of how that'll work, and it'll update the package lists. Okay, then the other one is sudo apt-get upgrade. This one will upgrade packages on your computer. Okay, so update will update the package as it is. Upgrade will upgrade to new packages. Then there is sudo apt-get remove. And then you have to type in the package name, so OpenTTD. Now, you can just do the remove and keep all the configuration files. That's for maybe piece of software that you're going to get rid of that you might change your mind about later. Then you can keep its configuration files. Purge removes all of it. So we're going to go for purge, and then it's going to go through the following will be removed. Yes. And it'll remove all of its configuration files. And then it'll do that. Now the next one is sudo ldconfig. This one just basically organizes everything in your operating system. It's just a really quick one, but keeps it in order. So that's like an indexer almost. Then auto clean. Oh, I put a space in there that was not supposed to be there. Auto clean helps clean out some of the junk in your operating system. And then sudo apt-get auto remove. This will auto remove things, packages or remnants of packages or libraries that are installed that don't need anything. So then it'll tell you which ones are getting removed. So as you can see, the purge didn't take care of the OpenFX or that. Since they're no longer needed, since I don't have that game installed anymore, the auto remove will now remove them. So you hit yes, and it'll remove those files. then every once in a while you run across a broken package. A broken package is any number of things can cause a broken package. It somehow is installed but doesn't have the right libraries, or for some reason is not completely installed, is only half installed. For whatever reason that happens, finstall will fix whatever broken packages are found, and it'll search through. Now I have none. And then this is one you're going to need to know. Basically, if you're asking for help in forums or anything else, you'll need to use this one. A lot of people are going to ask, what kernel are you on? And there it is. That's the kernel right there. The next one is the list command. This one's extremely helpful for many reasons. LSUSB. This one is all of my USB devices that are connected through USB. Some of them are built into my computer. So all that stuff through my USB. So ls, which is list, PCI, will give you a list of all my PCI devices on this computer. So as you can see, I have a Silicon Image Ultra ATA 133 host controller, which is a RAID controller. VGA compatible controller, which is my NVIDIA card. So you can look and see here. Now you'll see I only have 4 PCI slots in my computer, but you'll see a list of more. That's a USB 3.0 there. That's because the built-in stuff also uses a PCI interface. So those are the 10 useful commands for new people that you will need to know. So this helps to find information on forums, or to solve some problems, or to clean up your computer a little bit. Alright, hopefully that was helpful to you, and if you did like this little tutorial, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a good day.